Hello, in this video I will show you how you can clean speaker on OnePlus Nord 5. So you can use speaker cleaner feature. So to do it, swipe down your quick settings menu, do it again and click on the three dots in the top right corner. Go to edit tiles and here you have to find speaker cleaner. This is how it looks like. Click this plus and now you have this speaker cleaner in your quick settings. So open it and here, as you can see, tap start to play a sound that vibrates the speaker to clean out dust and water. Note that the sound might be loud. So click start and wait a couple of seconds. For best results, keep the speaker hole facing downward, so like that, and this is for the best results of cleaning the speaker. Just wait to the end. And as you can see, it's done. So thanks for watching and subscribe.